Alright, welcome back to the third day of Nailmas, and I hope you guys please like and subscribe for more videos. In this tutorial, we are going to complete the toque combination, and we're going to make the mittens to go along with it. So again, I have a background of dark blue. This is called Velvet Cape by Nail Innovations. It's a gel paint. And I'm going to do the same steps we did with the toque. I'm going to take some white gel paint and I'm going to make it sheer with some base coat, and then I'm going to use that sheer combination and I am going to paint both of my mittens. Once they are painted, I will then cure it in my lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, once that is cured, I'm now going to take gel paint at full strength again with my paintbrush here, and I'm going to outline the mittens, all except for the top of the mittens, and there's a reasoning for that. And then the inside of it for the knitted pattern, I'm actually going to take a very small dotting tool and do vertical lines with the dotting tool. When I am finished that, I will also add some snow, and I will sugar it with my glitter and matte powder mix and cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Now that that is cured, I am going to brush it off with a stiff brush. And now I'm going to use my white paint again. And I'm going to add the adjoining strings for the mittens. I'm going to make sure I do that on the outside of the hand, if that makes sense. Like on, not where the thumb would be, it would be like on the outside. You know, like, I don't know, like it hangs out of your coat, sort of. And then I'm going to sugar that and cure that as well. While I'm waiting for that to cure, I have some base coat and I'm going to put that on my tile with the other little droplet of it that I have here. And I'm going to do the same like with the toque. I'm going to use my paintbrush and the lavender flocking powder, and I'm going to paint little rectangles on the cuff of the mittens just over the little strings, and then I will use my tweezers and pick up the flocking powder and drop it where I like and tap off the excess, cure that, and we will be finished. Okay, now that that is all cured, I'm just going to use my fan brush and brush off the excess flocking powder. And there are the mittens all finished to match the toque. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and as always, I hope you guys all stay jazzy.